Right, new music. We're gonna do the old requests, but we're gonna do some new music. Stay up to date. One day ago, Trueno put out Solo por VOS. Don't know what that means, but we're gonna react to it right now. Let's do it. Trying to get some subtitles, even though they're not good. Where's that? I've never seen a video like this before. Well, not by in Spanish music. There was a Heady One song called Siberia, was it like kind of the same vibes. But where is this video shot? Sure, that's not Argentina. That's like North Pole or something.
Yo que estaba preparado para vivir la vida solo de una vez, cuando en realidad estaba buscándote. No soy bueno para mostrarte lo que siento, ya lo sé, pero sé que mi Buenos Aires te transmite en Santa Fe, mami chula.
Yeah, this video is kind of sick. The Huskies or Dogs, whatever they're called. I don't get this scene. Let's run it back, try and pick up some lyrics. I think I'll turn these off because I can't read anything. There's like double lyrics.
Yo que estaba preparado para vivir la vida solo de una vez, cuando en realidad estaba buscándote. No soy bueno.
Jay says, I was ready to live life by myself, and then I didn't realize I was looking for you, but I found you. Something along those lines. I don't know if tell me if you want me to translate the lyrics or do you want me to just listen to it and react. I feel like I have to, because I know some Spanish, I have to try and translate and pick out some bars, you know?
Pa mostrarte lo que siento, ya lo sé, pero sé que mi Buenos Aires te transmite en Santa Fe, mami chula. Polvo me hago.
Oh, he's back with the Mami Chula. I think someone said Mami Chula is like cool mummy or spicy mummy. So that's the translation. He always says that in his songs. He has a song called Mami Chula, I think. Don't know why I keep saying it. Guess you just say it to. He says it to his girl.
Bueno, me hago malo, por vos pierdo, por vos gano, mami, en esa estamos. Ojalá entendiera que soy la única y primera, así que vengan los que quieran, los de afuera son de palo, mami. Sé que a veces debes pensar que no te pienso, mientras planeo borrarte la inseguridad, los besos. A la luna le pregunto.
Instrumental. Yes. So cold.
Se está bien cuando no estoy, mientras que desde acá estoy contando los días comunes. Y de vuelta estoy en la misma casa, en el mismo barrio, merodeando por la noche como un perro solitario. Caminaba sin rumbo y terminé en tu vida, chocándome con tus ojos y aterrizando en tus labios. Bajo por la noche cuando cae el sol, buscando la luna solo por vos, baby. Saco fuerza de la nada.
Yeah, that hook's hitting. Run that back.
Con tus ojos y aterrizando en tus labios. Bajo por la noche cuando cae el sol, buscando la luna solo por vos, baby. Saco fuerza de la nada y lo mancho de blood, solo por vos, baby. Oh, dejo mi alma entera only for you.
A little English touch. Only for you. Okay.
Saco fuerza de la nada y lo mancho de blood.
Alright, I think I'm getting the music video now. I think it's slowly ticking for me. At the start, there was like him and a girl. I don't know why she had an archery thing, but now he's like walking. He's talking about finding a girl, right? And he's walking through like the forest, and the girl's walking, and then he's picking up like little trails to find where she is. So this is like his love song about finding a girl. The girl's like walking off, playing hard to get, and he's like, okay then, I'm coming to get you.
Tengo guardada ropa tuya con tu olor, que me hacen recuperar la fe que tengo en el amor. Mateo y Trueno se pelean pa' ver quién te hace mejor. Si las malas lenguas dicen te están haciendo un favor. El barrio me conoce más, yo soy un turro bueno, dispuesto a dejar la sangre solo por vos y mi mamá. Las balas que te tiren las recibo con el pecho. Dejo la vida una noche para verte a la mañana. Me cuesta mucho dar detalles, criticarte. Así hice lo mejor que pude para dedicarte una frase. Y aunque siempre me pidan más y se me haga imposible, siempre vas a tener un soldado, pase lo que pase. Bajo por la noche cuando cae el sol, buscando la luna solo por vos, baby. Saco fuerza de la nada y lo mancho de blood, solo por vos, baby. Oh, dejo mi alma entera, only for.
Dejo mi alma entera for only for you. Don't know what Elma means. But I guess it means I left. Dejo means like left. So he's saying he left something for you. So I guess he's like falling in love with Nicole. I guess this song's about her.
Saco fuerza de la nada y lo mancho de blood. Bajo por la noche cuando cae el sol, buscando la luna solo por vos, baby. Saco fuerza de la nada y lo mancho de blood, solo por vos, baby. Oh, dejo mi alma entera, only for you. Saco fuerza de la nada y lo mancho de blood, baby. Siempre fuiste un punto aparte entre tanta gente. Tú siempre tan ignorante pero transparente, buscando desayunarte como gente. Tú siempre tan.
I was always ignorant but transparent. I guess that makes sense. He's saying that he was real even though he was harsh, and he had to be harsh to be real.
Ignorante pero transparente, buscando desayunarte como pan caliente, convirtiendo tus instantes en un dente.
Buscando desayunarte como pan caliente. I know desayuno means breakfast and buscando means finding. So he's saying finding you is like finding hot bread or warm bread. To be honest, don't get the bar. I guess it kind of makes sense, like when you wake up. Well, this is in Spain. In England, you don't get these feels, but in Spain, yeah, if you live near like the local bakery, you can smell all that stuff in the morning. So I guess he's trying to. It kind of makes sense. Like when he wakes up, well, it's not really about waking up. It's about the feeling of searching for something. Like he's searching for his girl. If that makes sense. It kind of makes sense in my head, but it's hard to explain.
Desayunarte como pan caliente, convirtiendo tus instantes en un para siempre.
Okay, I don't know what just happened there. Baby. I don't know who made this video, but big up to whoever like directed the video and made it wherever it was made. I'm guessing not Argentina, because I don't think it snows like that there, unless there's places that do. Because in Spain there's a place called Sierra Nevada where it does snow on the mountains. But yeah, this video was cold, man. Like, yeah, don't know who directed it, don't know whose idea it was. Maybe it was his. I like the husky vibe. I've never seen like a Spanish song to have like a music video like this. It's kind of original. Just out in the snow. I kind of got the meaning of what he was singing about based on the video, where he's saying like he was looking for he's basically looking for his love, and that he's found her. Eventually he finds her. And at the start, he was ready for life alone, but he found a girl, and he's pursuing her. So I think that's the deep meaning of the tune. The tune vibe. Super catchy, like a sing-along song. Probably going to be banged on the radio. So I don't think there's any swear words in it. But yeah, overall I liked it a lot. Something different, because Trueno, I think he's known as more of a battle rapper and a freestyler and a rapper and a fast rapper and bars and bars. But this is like a softer side to him, where he's sung about his love and he's singing a bit more. It's different, because I think all the other songs of his I've heard are more like raps or like bars, you know? So this is something different. I liked it a lot. I'm going to check out more of his stuff. Check out my socials. Leave a like, leave a comment, sub to the channel if you're new. If you're not new, thanks for coming back and watching another video. I really appreciate it. And yeah, new music coming. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Adiós.